Mortza here with Heartbeat, and I'm going to talk about why you should always charge to have people join your waitlists. Waitlists are great, not just for generating a ton of hype before new product releases or new experiences that you're rolling out, or even when you're actually launching your community for the first time, but what they also do is help you test out willingness to pay. As a business, what you're always trying to figure out is you've got a specific price point for a specific group of people, for a specific set of services or experiences, and does that whole mix work really well in a way that allows you to build a bigger and scalable business? Waitlists are a really low friction and low effort way to test all of that out. And so what we recommend the most is with a paid waitlist, you can charge first month's rent, so the first charge of a subscription, just to make sure people are willing to take out their credit card and actually pay that. And what we will do is then credit that to the first month of the actual subscription in Heartbeat. So on launch date, that gets credited so they're not charged again for that. So to do this, I can go into my community, I've navigated to offers, and I've gone to waitlists over here, and I can create a waitlist. Heartbeat has a couple different options here. So the most popular one is what I mentioned, where we, again, collect first month's rent up front. I've got a monthly membership for 25 bucks, and I'm gonna collect all that up front. You can also do partial up front and then partial at launch. So maybe if I'm doing, let's say, $100 a month, and I wanna charge 50 bucks up front, and then the next 50 on launch date, I can do that. And then moving forward, all of my monthly charges will be $100 each. And then finally, you can only charge the amount at launch. I tend to recommend against this, again, because it doesn't fully help you suss out the willingness to pay piece. I always recommend going upfront or at the worst partial, but this is also an option, and we see this get used, especially if you're a little bit more of an established community. You have a good sense that, hey, people are gonna pay this, so you're not super worried about testing out the willingness to pay aspect. So this covers all the different scenarios, but always my recommendation, especially if you are launching a product for the first time, if you're launching a community for the first time, is to charge up front, because it really helps you de-risk this part of the business. Thanks so much for watching. Let us know if you have any other questions as you're building your community on Heartbeat. You can reach out to our support team at support@heartbeat.chat.